Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use Chat GPT for resume. So let's get started. At first, we need to get into any browser and search for this link, that is chat.openai.com. After which, we get into this interface. Make sure you are logged into it. And after that, we need to get into this message box over here and write the detailed information about what type of resume we want. And once you are done with all of the information, simply click on send message option over here. So here is a format of the resume for an architect position. So what we can do is simply copy this. For copying, we can see this copy icon over here and paste it anywhere and simply edit the information about ourselves over here. Here we can enter our name, address and other details as well. And here are the university name, city details. And after adding and editing all of the information, our resume will finally be ready. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.